In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Mailchimp to boost engagement and sales. Personalization is one of the most effective strategies for building strong relationships with your audience and improving the performance of your email campaigns. By including details like your recipients' first names or other custom fields in your emails, you can create a more meaningful connection with your audience. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started with Mailchimp, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. To start, log in to your Mailchimp account and navigate to your audience dashboard. This is where all the information about your subscribers lives, and it's the first step in ensuring your emails are personalized and targeted correctly. Once you're on the audience dashboard, look to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Click on it and select Settings. This is where we'll configure the fields that will allow us to personalize your emails. Next, select Audience Fields and Merge Tags from the Settings menu. This section is incredibly important because it's where Mailchimp stores information like your subscribers' first names, last names, or any other details you've collected. You'll notice some default field labels, such as F name for first name and L name for last name, along with their corresponding merge tags. Review these carefully to ensure they are set up correctly for your audience. If you feel like you're missing an important field, like maybe you want to add a birthday field or something else, this is the time to add it. Simply click on Add a Field, choose the type of field you need, and save your changes. And don't forget, if there's a field that's critical to your campaign, such as the first name field, make sure it's marked as required in your sign-up form settings. Now that your audience fields are ready, it's time to personalize your emails. Head over to the Campaigns section of your Mailchimp account and open the specific email campaign you'd like to work on. Once you're in the editor, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Edit Recipients section. Here, confirm the audience you're sending the email to. You can also customize how your recipients' names will appear in their inboxes. You can choose just the first name, last name, or a combination of both, depending on your preferences. Once you've set this up, make sure to save your recipient settings before moving on. The next step is to personalize the actual content of your email. Choose the part of your email where you want the personalization to appear. This could be in the greeting, the subject line, or even within the body of the email. For example, if you want the email to start with, "Hey, first name," just type out the placeholder text like "Hey," followed by a space. Then insert the merge tag for the first name by clicking Merge Tags in the top right corner of the editor and selecting first name. It's that simple. You'll see the merge tag appear in your email, and Mailchimp will replace it with your recipient's name when the email is sent. Before you hit send, it's crucial to preview your email to make sure everything is working as it should. Click on Preview in the top right corner. To get the most accurate preview, enable Live Merge Tag Info. This lets you see how the merge tags will look with real data from your audience. If you notice any missing information, like a subscriber who didn't provide their first name, don't worry. You can set a default merge tag value in the audience fields and merge tag settings. For example, if the first name is missing, you can use a default like friend or there to ensure your email still reads smoothly. After saving your default value, return to the campaign editor and preview your email again to confirm that it appears as expected. Finally, send a test email to yourself to see how it looks in your inbox. This is a great way to double-check that the personalization works correctly and that the default values display properly where needed. Keep in mind that test emails will always show the default value, so don't be alarmed if you don't see real names in the test. For even more personalization ideas, consider reviewing Mailchimp's Merge Tag Cheat Sheet. This resource is packed with additional options to help you tailor your campaigns even further. Once you're happy with your email, save and finalize your campaign, and you're ready to send it off to your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.